I am at dinner Thimmappa Hotel in Udupi. This is the one famous hotel in Udupi, Hotel Thimmappa. Thimmappa, this dinner time, this much rest. Carne fries and rice and fish. This is banana leaf Thimmappa Udupi. This is Thimmappa restaurant Udupi. Banana leaf. Rice. This is carne fry, carne masala.